Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी आयज हांवें हाडल्या दोई भाजी गोवन दोई भाजी. It is called like you get red tamdi bhaji, so like that only it is red spinach. What you get, it is the similar to that. This is green, so we call it Doie Bhaji in Goa. You can have a look. If you know the name for this in English, please comment in the comment section of this video and do let me know what it is known as in English. So in Konkani it is called Doyi Bhaji, and my neighbor, I'm thankful to my neighbor who gave me this actually from her garden, fully organic, without any chemicals, and they have grown this in their house actually, in their home garden. So I'm going to make a nice vegetable out of this. It's very tasty and yummy. So we have to wash this and chop this. The other ingredients what we need are one big chopped tomato, onion, sorry, then one chopped tomato. So I will be adding one green chili and around 7 flakes of garlic. Garlic is up to you how much you want. And these are like 2 potatoes finely chopped, and this is like one big actually 2 big tablespoons of grated coconut. The other masalas I will tell you. तर हांव म्हणटाली की आमी गोंयान हेका धोई भाजी म्हणटा. धोई इंग्लिशीन कितें म्हणटा जर तर तुमी कोणी जाणा जाल्यार कमेंट बॉक्सान घालात मातशें. आनी ही म्हाका शेजाऱ्यांनी दिल्या तेंच्या गार्डनांतली, आनी हांव तेंचो खूब आनी खूब देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तांकां. सो ही जाय आतां, ही धुवन मागीर बारीक कातरूंक जाय, शिनून घेवया. आनीक आमकां जाय एक व्हडलो प्याव कांदो, एक मिरसांग, ह्यो 6-7 बोयी ऑफ धाकटुश्यो ऑफ आमचे लसूण, एक हरी मिरची घेतल्या बारीक पळय, ह्यो जावन आसा 2 पोटाट हे कातुल्ल्या बारीक, हे एक तामोट, आनी हे आमची 2 कुलेरां आमचो नाल्ल. ओके, तो ही पयली धुवया आनी कातरिया. सो नाव लेट्स चॉप दिस. हेका बरें बारीक तुमचे कडेन आडाव आसा जाल्यार आडावान कातरात, ऑर वी कॅन फायनली चॉप लायक दीस. The more you fine chop it, the more it is tasty. So let's take some mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed in a hot oil, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. And now we will add our onion, chili and garlic. बरो भाजून घे. सासवां आनी जिरें, कांदो, मिरसांग आनी लसूण. At this point, आम्ही आमचे टमाट घालूया. We'll add our tomato. Now we'll add our turmeric powder. This is like half teaspoon of this. Chili powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Let's add salt also to this. Now we'll add a potato to this. Skin potato, you can grate it, but I have kept this skin of the potato. Wash the potato nicely. So now let this cook for 10 minutes. Cover and cook this on low flame. So now at this point, potatoes are tender, so we'll add our leafy veg in this. तर आमी भाजी सगळी घालया. उदक घालपाची गरज ना, हेका उदक सुट्टेले आनी ही इल्लीशी जाता मागीर शिजतकच. ओके, so we'll keep this like this. Believe me, this vegetable is very very tasty and yum it is. एकदम रुची की भाजी, आमची दोई भाजी. I think so in English they say, I was searching it on Google and it was like showing it local spinach. So it looks like also spinach. So, but if you know any other name for this veg, then please comment in the comment box. Oh, see now. When I was adding the veg to this container, it was looking so much. So now it is going down. जेन्ना घातली तेन्ना कितली दिसताली न्हू. आतां आमी हेका मिक्स करुया. इल्लीशी जाता. At this point, let us add 1 tablespoon of coconut and 1 will keep for garnishing. And we will add our Everest Kitchen King Masala Powder, that is 1 of this size. I will share you the link, homemade Everest Kitchen King masala powder recipe. Please check in the description box, and we'll mix this all. If you don't want to make Everest Kitchen King Masala, or if you don't have at home, then you can add our garam masala or Goan Xacuti Masala powder. Let this get cooked in this nicely. See this? Without adding water, okay? And काय तुझं घालून ना आणि पहिले इतले ते कसं बरे सुकवणी आता. So here is our Davi Bhaji ready. Local spinach leafy vegetable is ready to serve and to eat with chapati. And hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Serve it, garnish it with coconut, and your sabji is done. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo.